All right, guys, we're out here at the local little lake near my house. I'm gonna take this TRX 6 for its first real run outside, besides the one quick run we had at night the other day just to drive it. See how this thing is. Out here, we got some cool little spots. I just drove back by all the different areas to see what it looks like. And there's some water. I'm not gonna take it through a lot of water today, but I will run it for a few minutes. The tires right now still have the holes in them, so I don't want to get them full of water. We might go through a little bit of water, but we're not going to go into deep water. This should be a really, really fun place to come back to. Just picked up another 1/24th scale axial crawler. That's going to be really fun to play with. So for now, let's go take this out for a few minutes. What's up, buddy? We got a 3S Electron Pro 5200 battery in it. That's full speed on speed 1. Steering trim seems off. Speed 2, let's see.
See the drops?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's already pointing. Let's spin some wheels again. There's other crawlers out there, but none of them are as fast as this one. Pretty much the reason I got it. Oh man, here we go. All right, get back in low speed. Now neither the front or rear diffs are locked. All right, so let's lock the front. All right, just the front. Wow. Okay.
Have her come down.
Okay, here we go. Let's come back. What's that? Simple. That was too easy. Too easy. Let's go here. Ready? Not yet, just playing. Just a little tease. Let's take a ride. See what else we got. Guys, look at this view out here. How can you really beat it? Huh. No.
What?
It's not. What happened to Mr. Ed? Mr. Ed, what happened? Oh. Come on, Mr. Ed, you know the movie, bro. Well, we got a lot of water we're staying away from, but let's go play with the rocks. Get back in low speed again. Let's see which way looks the toughest angle. I like that big rock right there. It's amazing how slow you can go with the throttle on this thing. We're gonna play here for a few minutes, then I'm gonna let my buddy try it and get some really cool slow close-up shots. Oh, look at that. There's the thumbnail. TRX6 from Traxxas. What a beast of a crawler so far. Really kind of my first impressions with it, honestly, off-road. All I did was drive it in the snow at the house for a few minutes. But man, you barely touched the throttle. One of the real cool things it has, if I'm correct, here we go, Frank, you ready? You want to do this crawling with cruise control on? Let's try cruise control. Ready? We'll start right here. Hands are off the throttle. Hands are off the throttle still. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You hold down the set button while you drive it, and it holds the speed at whatever you're going. Do the same thing going downhill. Well, it's sped up a little bit. It doesn't break itself, but that's cruise control still. Coming. I'm coming. Oh, there's a good spot. Interruption. My wife actually called. I'm filming from my iPhone 11 Pro right now because I left the GoPro at the house. And I planned on coming here. Go figure. We're going to run for a few more minutes. Let my buddy run it, see what he thinks of it. Because he's actually one of the guys I know that actually likes and does this stuff for real in real cars. I never have really gone four-wheeling. Man, that's not even nothing, dude. Nothing. I mean, it's not really a big rocky thing, but it's just at the speed it's going is what makes it impressive. That's what it is, you know what I mean? The fact that it can go so slow. So let's go here real quick one more time. Then we're gonna take a little bit of a ride down here. That's big.
Oh yeah, still make it. Let's see if it goes up that way.
Put it back in low speed. Yeah, it should.
Oh my god.
All right, let's lock it. We got some dirty tires.
Yeah,
Front and rear are locked now. The tires are really slippery probably right now. Tumble, 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 tumble. Come on, come on. I feel like the tires just have too much dirt on them.
Yeah.
All right, we just need to give a little speed, but I was trying to go slow. Try and see how slow we can actually make it. Okay. No problem. Pretty much no problem, man. All right, we out. No, just a forward and back. Like it brakes like normal. Oh, really? I don't know. So I saw this when I drove down here. Woo! I thought it was going over. I don't know if you can see how close that was, but it seems sure close to going down. Check this out. Is this not going to be fun to come back to once we get this thing all ready for going in the water?